everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Amalia, NIM 2024-001-0043. I'm from class TS24I. I made this video to fulfill the assignment of Pancasila Education course. So, happy watching!
Pancasila was formulated by Soekarno on June 1, 1945 during the BPUPKI session and ratified as the basis of the state on August 18, 1945 in the preamble of the 1945 Constitution. Pancasila consists of 5 foundations, namely belief in one God, fair and civilized humanity, Indonesian unity, democracy led by wisdom in representative deliberation, and social justice for all Indonesian people. Pancasila is the guideline of life for the Indonesian people because it teaches moral, ethical, and social values to guide the way people think and act. Pancasila plays an important role because Pancasila acts as the foundation of unity as contained in the third principle. Pancasila also teaches tolerance for diversity and contained in the first to second principle, cooperation in wisdom in the fourth principle, and social justice in the fifth principle. Pancasila is the foundation that binds diverse Indonesian communities to coexist faithfully, minimize the potential for conflict, and realize common goals in building a just and prosperous nation. The first principle of Pancasila is belief in one God, has the meaning of recognizing the existence of God Almighty and respecting freedom of religion. Example of the application of the first principle in everyday life are respecting religious differences such as supporting each other in the celebration of different religions. The second principle of Pancasila is fair and civilized humanity, has the meaning of treating others fairly and with dignity. Example of the application of the second principle in everyday life are against discrimination such as giving equal rights to women and men. The third principle of Pancasila is Indonesian unity, has a meaning maintain national unity despite different ethnicities and religions. Example of the application of the third principle in everyday life are working together in national activities such as Gotong Royong and Independence Day celebration. The fourth principle of Pancasila is democracy led by wisdom in deliberation or representation, has the meaning of democracy which is organized by deliberation for consensus. Example of the application of the fourth principle in everyday life are democratic election and community meetings to make joint decision. The fifth principle of Pancasila is social justice for all Indonesian people, has the meaning of guaranteeing social justice and welfare for all citizens. Example of the application of the five principles in everyday life are social assistance programs for poor families and equal access to education. Pancasila as a guide for modern challenge like tolerance, social justice, and national unity. In tolerance, Pancasila teaches us to respect differences in religion, ethnicity, and culture. In social justice, Pancasila supports equal distribution of welfare, such as social assistance for those in need. In national unity, Pancasila strengthens the spirit of togetherness and cooperation between different communities. Relevance of Pancasila for a faithful and inclusive society. Pancasila helped create a faithful and inclusive society by prioritizing dialogue, respecting differences, and working together for the common good. Pancasila serves as a guideline to live in harmony despite diversity. Pancasila serves as a guide to life for the people of Indonesia. Each principle in Pancasila provides direction for how to think and act in daily life, maintaining harmony in the diversity of cultures, religions, and ethnic groups that exist in Indonesia. By practicing Pancasila, we can strengthen our sense of unity, respect differences, and create a just and prosperous society. It also helps us overcome modern challenges such as maintaining tolerance, promoting social justice, and maintaining national stability.
Let's embody Pancasila in every aspect of our lives. By respecting others, maintaining unity, and our strength to be fair, we can build a better Indonesia. Every small action such as helping each other, respecting differences, and playing an active role in social activities is a big step toward realizing the ideal of Pancasila. Together, we can create a more faithful, just, and prosperous future for all Indonesians.